Welcome back to Saya Resum, where we journey through the latest tech innovations with a critical eye. Today, we'll unbox a gadget that promises to change the way you interact with your home. If you've been curious about open-ear earbuds, but didn't want to sacrifice sound quality or premium features, the brand new Sony Link Buds Clip might be exactly what you've been waiting for. With a fresh clip-style design, lightweight comfort, smart listening modes, and strong battery life, Sony is officially stepping into the premium open-ear category and directly challenging rivals like Huawei, FreeClip and Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Today, let's take a closer hands-on look at what makes the Sony Link Buds Clip stand out and whether they're worth considering at around $200. Starting with the unboxing experience, Sony continues its signature packaging style that feels both minimal and practical. The retail box clearly shows the product design on the outside, giving you a preview before opening it. Inside the box, everything is organized neatly and securely. Alongside the earbuds, Sony includes documentation and a pair of stabilizing silicone supports, called air-fitting cushions, which help improve fit for users with smaller ears or for more active situations like walking or workouts. One small downside here is that Sony does not include a USB-C charging cable in the box, which might surprise some users in this price range. Now let's talk about the design, because this is where the Link Buds Clip really stand out. Unlike traditional earbuds that sit inside your ear canal, these use a C-bridge open-ear clip design that wraps gently around the outer ear. This keeps the speaker positioned close to your ear without sealing the ear canal, allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings while listening. Each earbud weighs only about 0.23 ounces, making them extremely lightweight and comfortable even during long listening sessions. They don't create pressure on the ear like in-ear models, and they feel secure enough for everyday movement. Sony also includes the air-fitting cushions to improve stability during higher motion activities, which adds extra confidence when wearing them outside. Another thoughtful detail is how Sony improved usability through physical design. The left and right earbuds are clearly labeled with L and R. But even more impressively, the charging case magnets only allow each earbud to attach in the correct position. There's also a small tactile bump on the left earbud, so you can identify sides instantly without looking, something many users will appreciate in daily use. Speaking of the charging case, it has a rounded flip-open design that feels compact and stylish. The glossy lid combined with a matte interior creates a premium look, although the surface can attract fingerprints and scratches over time. Now let's move on to sound quality and features. The Sony Link Buds Clip use a 10mm dynamic driver, combined with Sony's well-known DSEE audio enhancement technology. In real-world listening, this delivers clear vocals, detailed mids, and open-sounding highs that feel natural and comfortable rather than overly aggressive. Because these are open-ear earbuds, the listening experience feels spacious and breathable, perfect for office environments or outdoor walking. Sony also introduces 3 smart listening modes designed for different situations. Standard mode delivers balanced everyday sound. Voice boost mode enhances speech clarity for podcasts and calls. And the most interesting feature is sound leakage reduction mode. This mode uses reverse phase sound waves to reduce how much audio escapes into the surrounding environment, helping you listen comfortably in quiet offices without disturbing people nearby. That's a major improvement over typical open-ear designs. Call quality is another strong highlight. Thanks to AI-powered voice processing, the earbuds isolate your voice effectively, even in windy or noisy environments. Whether you're walking outside or commuting, your voice remains clear during conversations. In terms of connectivity, the earbuds support Bluetooth 5.3, which enables stable connections and smooth multi-device switching. They also support smart integrations like Spotify Tap for instant music playback and even voice interaction through Google Gemini, making everyday control faster and more convenient. Another premium feature included here is 360 reality audio. Sony's immersive spatial sound technology that creates a more surround-like listening experience when supported content is available. Finally, let's talk about battery life because it's one of the strongest advantages of the Link Buds Clip. On a single charge, the earbuds can last up to 9 hours of continuous playback. With the charging case included, total battery life extends to about 37 hours, which is excellent for open-ear earbuds in this category. Fast charging is also supported. Just 3 minutes of charging provides approximately 1 hour of listening time, making it easy to top up quickly before heading out the door. Overall, the Sony Link Buds Clip deliver a refreshing open-ear design, combined with smart features, lightweight comfort, strong call quality, and impressive battery performance. If you're looking for premium open-ear earbuds that balance awareness, comfort, and everyday practicality, these might be one of the most interesting options currently available in the market.